Let's have fun with leaves. Okay, that didn't work as well as I thought it would be.
That's what we call foreshadowing.
I'm Margie with the Asking Spot. Let's get into it. So the other day when I was at the thrift store, I saw a bag of autumn leaves and it was only, well, let's say $half. Because if I say the other one, I'm going to be tempted to put in a clip of a certain rapper talking about being your birthday. And since I can't afford to do that, we'll say I paid $50 for it.
Lame.
Anyway, they're just so pretty. And yeah, here's my sob story. I live where we don't have fall.
Seriously?
So I miss it. I'm going to go ahead and use some of these, but then some of the projects, I'm just going to use some greener leaves that I picked up also at the thrift store. May have paid more than $50 for it.
It's your birthday.
Okay, before I get too obnoxious, please don't click away. Let's just go ahead and start doing these. The important thing to remember when you're working with these leaves, the flatter they are, the more they are just the fabric, the better everything will work. And so like this one's one of those on a vine thing. You can actually peel these guys off from it. And then you'll have this nice little sort of silkish, plasticky fabric that'll lay much smoother and make every project work better. Now I'm going to use a gloss Mod Podge, but really any would do. So the idea is we're going to attach these leaves to this little plastic thing, but remember when it all's said and done, this is going to be the inside of the bowl, what you'll see most of. So whatever's the more attractive side of the leaf, you might want to put that so it will be seen when it's taken out.
Why are you doing this?
Why are we doing this?
Do you have a plan?
Wait, why do we need this?
Just because you can doesn't mean you should.
And to get it to lay flatter, more of the plastic wrap. All right, in this version, I'm going to be doing this on the outside of these pieces, so I want the good side of the leaf to be showing. So the goal is to put the glue on the outside, inside, you know what I'm saying. The bad side, I guess, is where you're going to put the glue so the attractive side stays on the outside. Now these leaves were a bit more realistic and I couldn't remove the stems from them, but it looked all right in the end and it actually made me think, hey, if I lived somewhere where there were actually pretty fall leaves, I bet you could do this, you know, just in time for, say, a Thanksgiving feast. This stick, I mean, this is what I got from a curb find. I'm just making use of it, but seriously, bamboo, a stick, any stick, it would work. And then I'm using these leaves and fishing wire. Now, I have tried many times to film fishing wire, but yeah, I get why fish fall for it. It's hard to see, so let's just see the results. It came out and well, it's a bowl. All right, I think this could have been improved.
You think?
If I had done it in fall leaves, then it would have had a much better color variety and it would have been kind of maybe pretty as is. Also, I think if I'd done it either on a smaller realm where it would have just been proportionately nice to just put small things in it, maybe jewelry or whatever. If I'd done it maybe even a tray size, larger, it could have been something that, you know, you could put rolled up napkins for dinners or something in it. But as it stands right now, it kind of looks like I just have a petrified leaf that I might have ripped off the top of a lettuce.
Garbage.
I don't know. It just doesn't do it for me. If you've got an idea of what I could use this for,
It's a garbage cup.
great. Please let me know, because yeah, this is going on my fail list. But there were some other projects. So thumbs up for effort, please, and maybe click subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Let's take a look at everything else that was worked on this go around. I don't know if it's been really super successful, but I kind of liked how the candles turned out. And it was super simple to do. It also was an easy upcycle for, you know, the glass jars everybody has, from spaghetti jars you might have laying around. So I kind of liked it, and, you know, it gave sort of a nice vibe. And then also its height level, like if I wanted to put these out for Thanksgiving dinner and whatnot, you can still talk around it, but it still gives the, you know, woo, fall, autumn feeling. And then we have, speaking of fall, and those of us who really wish fall was around, I have my faux fall leaves, literally falling. This, you know, I kind of thought this was just a weird experiment, and if it turned at all pleasing, that was well worth it. And I gotta say, I like it. It's just kind of like a nature curtain.
Strange.
Okay, maybe I need to get out more, but it made me happy. There we have it. Just a little bit of fun with some thrifted items. Hope you liked it. Thanks so much for watching the Asking Spot.
It's a garbage cup.